Welcome to this render course, where we will teach professional techniques for the use of SolidWorks 2015. That will complement learning the fundamentals of software, allowing faster sketches, parts, assemblies and details. In this first class we will give you an overview of the organization of the course. Come on, let's go. To facilitate learning, this course is organized into classes, where we will explain the concepts and application of the commands. Practical examples, where we will make case studies, revising the topics discussed. And complementary exercises, which are the tasks proposed for the student to do and train. Throughout the didactic elements, we will provide native SolidWorks files, which the student must download to assist in learning. All files can be opened in the 2015 version of SolidWorks, few can be opened in the 2014 version. Therefore, to ensure access to all the course files, we recommend that you have the 2015 version of SolidWorks. However, it is also possible to have a good learning using your own parts and assemblies. Let's go to the course structure, starting with the first module, where we will study the visualization and sharing of projects. We will learn how to use two advanced visualization commands, zebra stripes and curvature. We will know eDrawings, which is an important resource for SolidWorks project communication. We will see models with close to reality quality, with the Real View feature enabled. And finally we will learn about some of the UI news, implemented to optimize this area. In the second module, we will learn how to use commands to extend, trim, and lengthen outline entities. We will create slots with 4 different commands. We will work with the parabola and conic commands. We will apply the belt/chain command. And learn how to use resources to repair sketches with errors. Repair Sketch, Ghost Image and Sketch Expert. As a practical example, we will make the sketch of a connecting rod, creating it as quickly as possible. In the third module, we will learn how to use the move/copy body command. And add geometries for reference with the commands of the reference geometry group. We will also see the operation and practicality of using the scale command. We will explore the free modeling from the faces of the model, with the command freeform. And we will know the features missing reference and dim expert manager. In the fourth module we will model solids with professional resources and techniques. We will create a tap handle using the loft command. We will learn more advanced features of the swept command. We will see the steps needed to insert ribs into the pieces. We will learn how to use the shell command, which allows to obtain a shell project from a solid project. We will use the commands lip/groove and mounting boss. We will study the commands snap hook, groove and vent. We will learn how to use the 2D to 3D feature. And, As a practical example, we will build a raw electric razor model using some commands covered during this module. In the fifth module we will work with parameterization and repetition tools. We will apply replay pattern by table, by curve, and fill. We will create configurations, equations and materials. In the practical example, we will set the acquired knowledge relevant to parameterization and repetition. In the last module, we will work with assemblies in detail. We will learn about the new tools for positioning components, which further optimize this process. We will create exploded view professionally using the new features of this feature. We'll explore what's new for detail. And we'll also see how to create and manage assembly hierarchies with Treehouse. With this content you will be prepared to face the great challenges of modeling professional projects. Join Render students and show more this competence to the market. Render, WHO knows teaches.